pressure. You don't need to jab into it. You just kind of let the tool take the material off. Yes. Just real nice and easy concept. Don't sit here and do it in like one spot. You'll just dig a line right into it. Just nice and up and down. And then depending on which tool you're doing is which grit you use. Some you need multiple grits, depending on how deep the lines are. So just get the big lines out with this one, you move down to this one to get the finer lines out.